In one corner, you have Shark, the brand that seems to be everywhere, loaded with features and a price tag to match. In the other, you have Eureka, a name that's been around forever, promising solid, no-nonsense cleaning without breaking the bank. So, what's the real story? When you get these machines out of the box and onto your floors, which one actually does the job you need it to do? Let's break down the real differences between Shark and Eureka.
Overall cleaning performance. All right, let's get straight to what matters most. Which one cleans better? The answer depends entirely on what you're cleaning. Shark has built its reputation on aggressive, deep cleaning power. Think of it as a machine designed to pull out the dirt you didn't even know was hiding in your carpets. Their motors are typically powerful, and they pair that suction with stiff, agitating brush rolls that dig deep into carpet fibers to loosen embedded grit and pet hair. When you run a Shark over a high-traffic area, you can often see the difference immediately. Eureka, on the other hand, generally takes a more balanced approach. Their vacuums have perfectly adequate suction for everyday messes. Crumbs, surface dust, and visible debris on hard floors are no problem. Where they can sometimes fall short is on that deep, restorative carpet cleaning. While they perform well for light and moderate cleaning tasks, they don't typically have the raw power and aggressive brush design to compete with Shark's best models on thick, plush rugs. Floor type suitability. Here's where the design philosophies of these two brands really start to show. Shark vacuums, with their powerful suction and deep cleaning brush rolls, are often the superior choice for homes dominated by carpet. If you have wall-to-wall carpeting or a lot of thick area rugs, you need that agitation to keep them from looking tired and matted. Many higher-end Shark models also come with features like Duo Clean technology, which incorporates a soft roller at the front. This allows them to pull in large debris on hard floors without scattering it, making them surprisingly versatile despite their carpet-focused power. Eureka, conversely, often shines in homes with mostly hard surfaces, like hardwood, tile, or laminate. Their vacuums are frequently lighter and more nimble, making them easier to navigate around furniture and in tight spaces like kitchens and bathrooms. Since you don't need an ultra-aggressive brush to clean a hard floor, and in some cases it can be counterproductive, Eureka's more straightforward design is often a perfect match. They excel at the quick daily cleanups that hard floor homes require. If your home is primarily carpet, Shark's power is a clear advantage.
Pet hair and allergens. For pet owners and anyone with allergies, a vacuum isn't just a cleaning tool. It's an air quality appliance. This is an area where Shark invests heavily and generally comes out ahead. Many Shark vacuums feature what they call a sealed system, combined with a HEPA filter. Let me explain why this is a huge deal. A HEPA filter on its own is great, but if the vacuum's body has tiny cracks and gaps, microscopic particles like dust mites, pollen, and pet dander can leak back into the air before they ever reach the filter. A sealed system ensures that all the air sucked into the vacuum is forced through the filter. Eureka has models that offer good filtration, and some newer ones do include HEPA filters, but a fully sealed system is far less common in their lineup, especially at the lower price points. While they will certainly pick up clumps of pet hair off the floor, they are generally less effective at capturing and trapping the fine dander that triggers allergies. Furthermore, Shark often includes specialized pet hair tools, like motorized handheld brushes that are specifically designed to lift stubborn fur from upholstery and stairs. Weight, size, and ease of use. This is a category where Eureka often has a distinct advantage, especially for users who prioritize convenience. Eureka vacuums, particularly their stick and smaller upright models, tend to be significantly lighter than their Shark counterparts. This makes a real difference in day-to-day use. Carrying it up and down stairs is less of a chore. Maneuvering it around a cluttered room is easier, and you're more likely to grab it for a quick cleanup because it isn't a hassle. Shark vacuums, packed with more features and larger motors, are often heavier and bulkier. However, Shark has cleverly addressed this with their signature lift-away feature on many upright models. This allows you to detach the motor and dustbin from the main body, turning it into a lightweight, portable canister vacuum. This is incredibly useful for cleaning stairs, upholstery, your car, or high, hard-to-reach places. So while the Shark might be heavier overall, it offers a level of versatility that Eureka typically can't match. Features and tech. When it comes to features and technology, Shark is playing a completely different game. They are constantly innovating and packing their vacuums with technology designed to solve specific cleaning frustrations. We already mentioned the lift-away design and sealed HEPA systems, but there's also their Duo Clean brush roll, which combines a soft roller for large debris and a traditional bristle brush for carpets in one head. Many models now feature self-cleaning brush rolls, often with silicone power fins that actively cut and remove tangled hair so you don't have to. Eureka's philosophy is different. They focus on perfecting the basics. Their feature set is much more streamlined, prioritizing core suction power and reliability over bells and whistles. You'll get essential attachments and a functional design, but you generally won't find the advanced problem-solving tech that defines the Shark brand. This isn't necessarily a bad thing. For many people, a simple, powerful vacuum that just works is all they need and want. Durability and build quality. How a vacuum feels in your hand and how it holds up over years of use is a critical part of its value. In general, Shark vacuums feel more robustly constructed. They tend to use thicker plastics, metal wands, and components that click together with a satisfying solidity. This more substantial build quality contributes to their weight, but it also gives the impression of a durable machine built to last. While no brand is perfect, the consensus is that Shark vacuums are solid performers that can handle years of heavy use. Eureka's build quality often reflects its price point. To keep their vacuums affordable, they use lighter, thinner plastics, and the overall feel can be less premium than a Shark. This doesn't mean they are designed to fail, but they may be more susceptible to cracks or damage from rough handling over the long term. For light to moderate use in a smaller home, a Eureka can last for years. However, if you have a large, demanding household, the more durable construction of a Shark might be a wiser long-term investment. Price and value. Here it is, the bottom line. Eureka is the undisputed champion of budget-friendly performance. You can get a very capable Eureka vacuum for a fraction of the cost of a mid-range Shark, often finding great models in the $100 to $150 range. For someone on a tight budget, a student in a dorm, or anyone who just needs a basic, reliable machine for a smaller space, Eureka offers outstanding value. You get a vacuum that does its job effectively without forcing you to overspend. Shark positions itself as a premium brand, and its prices reflect that. Their vacuums cost more, but you are paying for tangible benefits: superior deep cleaning power, advanced filtration, innovative features, and often better build quality. The value from Shark comes from getting a high-performance, versatile machine that solves multiple cleaning challenges, especially for those with pets, allergies, or lots of carpet. Quick decision guide. So we've covered a lot. Let's boil this down. You're standing in the store or looking at your online cart. Which one do you choose? Buy the Shark if you are the primary cleaner of a home with mixed flooring and pets. If you see dog hair on the sofa and crumbs in the carpet, you want the Shark. The sealed HEPA system is non-negotiable for allergy sufferers, and the lift-away feature transforms it from a floor vacuum into a whole home cleaning system.
Buy the Eureka if you are pragmatic about your cleaning needs or you are on a strict budget. If you live in a smaller apartment, a dorm, or a home with mostly hard floors, a Eureka is often all you need. Why pay for deep carpet agitation technology if you only have 2 area rugs? The Eureka is lightweight, simple to grab for a 2-minute spill, and cheap enough that you won't cry if it breaks in 4 years.